Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian, as you can see, we got a nice looking uptrend right here. Looks like a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And based on my US dollar analysis especially, I think that this is actually going to make a pretty good move to the downside, maybe even go all the way down and take out these previous lows. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a trend right here with a lower high for the wave 5, which does happen quite often. I think this first move down is a 1. I believe this is an ABC of 2, and I think this is all part of a wave 3. So I believe that this will continue to make lower lows, lower highs, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks to me like a downtrend right here for the 1. This looks like an ABC of 2. This is definitely a nice downtrend, which I think is a wave 1 of 3. We definitely made 3 waves up right here. I think it's a 2 of 3, and I think this is just most likely just to keep on trending down, all part of a wave 3 of wave 3. Now we do have to remember that today is CPI inflation data for the US dollar, and we also have Canadian news coming out today, the rate hikes. So this is definitely going to affect this pair. So we definitely want to be careful. We definitely want to use proper risk management. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I think it's very clearly an ABC correction. I think that we very clearly have the end of a correction and that this is just going to keep on trending down, making those lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending. So taking it down even further to the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, like I said, we have Canadian news and dollar news today. It kind of looks to me like it does want to make a move to the upside, but even if it does go up today, I think it's just going to be a correction to this last wave down, and in worst case scenario, it's going to go up and end up making a lower high, and maybe in a day or so end up continuing the downtrend. I definitely don't know that it's going to end up going up. I do know that the higher time frames are in a downtrend, and I do know that there's also a possibility that it could just keep on drifting down. But I'm just saying that if it does cause it to go up, then I'm probably not going to take a long. I'll just end up waiting for the end of the next correction to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, which I think is all part of a big wave 3, just like what I was showing on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.